welcome back again to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the land preparation. As I promised on my last video, I will show you how to do it, because in this video you will learn the procedure, and land preparation is the most important part of the organic way of farming and gardening, because we need to feed the soil and the soil will feed the vegetable. If we don't have any organic matter on our garden bed, then do not expect for the best. This is our garden bed. This garden bed is made of from scrap wood. So if you have any scrap wood, so just use it and make a garden bed like this. So this is before a shutter door. So as you see, a place for doorknob. So here, so at first I put the dry leaves. So if you have plenty dry leaves, do not throw it, because this is the first thing to do that we need to put on our garden bed. Okay, and the next is the kitchen waste. So spread the kitchen waste. So if you have plenty kitchen waste, do like that. And then after kitchen waste, we will put again those clippings from your yard. You can use this again. Some weeds, and then put again on top with the dry leaves. Okay guys, so we need to water first the garden bed, because it's kind of little dry. So like that. And then as I've said guys, we need to feed the soil, and the soil will feed the vegetable, and the vegetable will feed us. So guys, just keep watching, and I will show you one of the secret of my organic way of gardening or farming. And okay guys, we're almost done on watering of this garden bed, and we will proceed now on the concoctions. Okay guys, so here, these are our concoctions. Okay, this one is effective microorganism, fish amino acid, fermented plant juice, and fermented fruit juice. Okay, let us start first with effective microorganism. Okay guys, so this effective microorganism is inoculants to increase the microbial diversity of soil ecosystem, and they consist mainly of the photosynthesizing bacteria and lactic acid bacteria, and using of this to the soil can improve the quality of soil, plant growth and yield, and it can easily break down the organic matter. Okay guys, so in 5 gallons of water, just mix this effective microorganism. That's 355 ml. And then next is the fish amino acid. Okay guys, so fish amino acids, this is it will improve soil health. It also increase the soil fertility by providing the primary nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And this is free nitrogen, so you don't have to worry about it because this is organic. So let us mix it now. Okay guys, so this is our fish amino acid. Okay, and the good thing of this organic concoctions, you can even put your hand, so you don't have to worry about the chemical reaction because that's organic. Okay guys, for now we can do it that way. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification or the bell icon for more updates on my next video. So, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends, because nowadays we need to help each other. Okay guys, we are finished with 5 gallons with effective microorganism and then the fish amino acid, and then our next is the fermented plant juice. Okay guys, our next is the fermented plant juice. So I have another 5 gallons of water, and then next is fermented plant juice. This fermented plant juice beneficial by chemicals, and I will show you how to do it also, and it will give your plants and animals a rapid burst of energy with fermented plant juice. Okay guys, so let us mix this also in our 5 gallons of water. Okay, and our next is the last one is the fermented fruit juice. Okay guys, fermented fruit juice, it contains nutrients like potassium. It promotes the production of healthy hormones and increase energy level and resistance to disease. Our next and the last is the fermented plant juice. This fermented plant juice contains nutrients like potassium that promotes the production and of course the healthy hormones, and it will increase the energy level and resistance to disease of our vegetables. So let's go. Okay, so same process, distribute this evenly to our garden bed. Okay guys, we're almost finished. I just covered with soil again on top of it, and there's another small parts that needs to finish, but I just want to say thank you first to my boss Sharon Stewart and family, and Mom Elaine Pinder and family, and Davin Armstrong, and for sharing my video, and then Ma'am Deborah Delaney for always supporting me also, and I know you are waiting for this video, and then don't forget to share it to your friends and relatives. Also to my Filipino friends in YT community, thank you so much. I'm now on almost 700 subscribers. You are the reasons why I keep sharing and giving some information about gardening, organic way of farming. And to my Filipino friends in Bahamas King Ron Arceo, keep moving. And then Raymond Pagaringan, I have video for you on how to plant romaine lettuce, and May Sunshine of Washington, and Malu Aquino of Monaco, and some of the rest of my friends in YT community. Maria Marcel forgave me the first thumbs up my video yesterday about how to plant romaine lettuce. Thank you so much for always supporting me.